In this video, we'll go over the ribbon, which is this top section right here in Storyline 360. So you'll see that it's actually very similar to PowerPoint. So that's a great thing about Storyline is that this top section here is very uh, similar to PowerPoint. So we have the Home tab. Here you can enter a new slide. You can choose layouts. Um, Obviously, here is editing the text. Here is paragraph related alignment, size, etc. And this you can ignore for now. When we start publishing, then we can pay more attention to this. Insert, here you can add slide layers. I wouldn't worry about that too much right now. It's basically like a mini slide within a slide. And then the slide layers show up here. And here you can insert a text box in this Content Library 360. So these are characters, photos, illustrations, icons, and videos that are available from Articulate 360. And here in media, this is what you would import from either your desktop, basically something you found online, etc. Another text box. Here you can add a button, a slider, a dial, basically anything that you can insert. Looking at slides, content library. This is some templates that you can use if you would like. And moving on, design. So we covered slide size in a previous video, and you can choose different themes. Transitions, this is how to transition from a slide to another slide. Animations are animations within a slide. So for example, if you want the text to flow in a specific way or exit a specific way, or the body or a specific button or something along those lines. And then view, you can view the slide master and various other things. So I think that covers the basics of what's in the storyline ribbon.